I'm Ryousuke Nakano, a student of Nagoya Institute of Technology. I'll introduce X, an agent submitted to the ANAC 2024 SCML League. Agents participating in SCML are placed at different levels. Among them, agents placed at the first and last levels are forced to do business with buyer and seller, respectively. Therefore, acts need to adopt a strategy for each of the three types of cases. When it is placed in the first level, when it is placed in the last level, and when it is placed in another level. Acts placed on the first level will continue to be forced to buy products by exogenous contracts. This means that it needs to continue to sell its products, even if the selling price is low. The amount of products that it sells at one time is the amount of products that can be produced by the delivery date minus the amount of products that have already been decided to be sold divided by the number of counterparties. This reduces the risk of paying fines for not being able to produce products in time, even if it signs a contract with all the agents it trades with. However, it is predicted that the number of agents accepting trades will decrease as the days go by. Therefore, it increases the amount of products sold at one time when the current number of days exceeds half of the total number of days. However, only if the other agent makes a proposal to it. This is because there is a possibility that the other agent will reject a proposal from X because the quantity is too large. X price at the last level is always required to sell products by exogenous contracts. If it fails to sell the product by the delivery date, it will be fined. In order to avoid fines, it must make products, and in order to make products, it is necessary to secure products as materials. Therefore, it tries to buy as many products as it wants, even if the price is high. The number required for it is the same as the amount of products that it can produce in a day. If it already has many products, it will not ask for them. The number of products that it requests at one time in a transaction is half of the amount it needs. Acts placed at the level that is neither the first nor the last does not have exogenous contracts. Therefore, if it does nothing, it will not lead to a deficit. However, if it can make a profit from trading, it should do so. Based on this idea, it buys a small amount of products cheaply and continues to sell them little by little. The price at which the product is bought and sold is flexibly determined by negotiating with the other agent. It's important to buy at a lower price and sell at a higher price. But it's a top priority to close as many viable deals as possible. This is because the biggest loss is to go into a last day without selling almost any product in the pursuit of a better contract. Act was executed with the Paribon agent, Grady's STD agent, and single agreement aspiration agent. The results of each of the 5 executions are shown in this table. Axe outperformed the other 2 agents. In addition to that, it scored more than 1 on 4 out of 5 attempts. This means that it was ultimately profitable. However, there are still challenges that have not been achieved. For example, despite continuing to sell products, Its price on the first level often had a large amount of inventory and significant losses. We should have found a way to get other agents to buy more products other than lowering the selling price. Also, unless it is placed on the last level, it largely depends on whether other agents will buy its product or not. It may lack the ability to sign contracts faster than other agents. Rather than the content of the negotiations, the issue remained as to who and how ACT would propose the negotiation. Thank you.